Hey everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. My name is Dr. Pratiksha Gupta and I'm a senior NEET MDS counseling expert. In today's video, we'll be talking about the fee structure of different dental colleges for the MDS course in the state of West Bengal. Just a quick disclaimer before starting the video. All this fee structure has been taken from the website of the colleges and from the All India MCC counseling website. You can definitely rely upon this video, and whatever fee structure will be mentioned are subject to change every year. So this fee structure for the last year, that is 2024, this year 2025, whatever changes will be there, that will be mentioned to you in the next video. And yes, if you like our content and our videos and if they're informative to you, do not forget to subscribe to our channel. So let's begin. If we see in the state of West Bengal, there are all total 6 dental colleges, out of which 3 are government and 3 are private. Talking about the MDS course, out of the 3 government dental colleges, only one has MDS, other 2 have only BDS, and all the 3 private dental colleges have the MDS course. So let's begin. The first and foremost college that we have is the Government Dental College, which is Dr. R. Ahmed Dental College and Hospital, Kolkata. It is one of the first dental colleges which has opened in India, and it holds immense treasure when it comes to dentistry. The college was started in the year of 1951, and since then it has been running the program of BDS and MDS. Talking about the fee structure of the college is 6,000 rupees per year, and the stipend that they offer is 45,071 rupees in the first year every month, and then 48,538 rupees per month in the second year, and 52,005 rupees in the third year. I hope this was clear to you. Moving on, the next 3 private colleges that we have. The first college in the private list is Guru Nanak Institute of Dental Sciences and Research, Kolkata. The college was started in the year of 2002. The fee structure is divided into 2 parts, as there are 2 types of seats in the state of West Bengal. One is a state quota, in which students from the state who are a resident of Kolkata or the state of West Bengal are eligible for this criteria. If you are somebody who's having a good rank and a resident of West Bengal, you can try for these seats in the counseling, as the fee structure is quite low as compared to the management quota. These seats are only for the students or the residents of West Bengal only. It's not for outsiders. Talking about the fee structure of the state government quota seats in Guru Nanak Institute, the fees is 3 lakh rupees per annum, and the management quota fees is 9 lakh rupees per annum for all the clinical branches, and for perio and OP it is 6 lakh rupees per annum. Apart from this, there are other charges like your admission deposit and your caution deposit, which is refundable, and a few other charges like your prospectus fee structure and your admission fee in the beginning and your hostel fees. There is no stipend in this private college. Second college that we have in the list is Haldia Institute of Dental Sciences and Research, which is in Banbishnupur. The college was started in the year of 2007, and the fee structure for the state government quota is 3 lakh rupees per annum for all the MDS courses, be it clinical or non-clinical, and for the management quota for all the clinical department it is 9 lakh rupees per annum, and for seats like perio or OP or OMDR it is 6 lakh rupees per annum. The last college in the list of the private institutes is Kusumdevi Sundar Lal Duggar Jain Dental College and Hospital, which is in Kolkata. The college was started in the year 2017, and the MDS was started in the year 2024. So last year was the first time when they started their MDS course, and this will be the second batch this year in the year of 2025. The fee structure is same as the other colleges. For the state quota seat, it is 3 lakh rupees per annum, be it the non-clinical or clinical branches. And for the management quota, the fees is 9 lakh rupees per annum for the clinical courses and 6 lakh rupees per annum for the non-clinical courses. I hope this video was informative for you. If you have any doubt about any of the colleges, you can comment down below in the comment section. If you found this video informative, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel Career Mudra.